Hello everybody, my name is Brian Kindlespire, and this is the second season of Anything's Possible. Finally, I believe this is the first show we've ever made with 2 seasons in it. Both, like this is the 11th episode, technically the first, but the 11th, this is crazy. Groundbreaking. Very, very excited. And to come back to the first episode of the second season, we are going to be starting off with making a ring. Out of an Eisenhower dollar, so nothing like defacing American currency for an Anything's Possible episode. It's fine, nobody likes Eisenhower dollars anyway. This is what we will be mutilating. Our goal is to turn this into insert picture of final product. Hopefully it looks pretty decent, but the first thing we gotta do, of course, is make it longer, elongate it. We have our torture devices here. We have 2 hammers. We have needle nose pliers and channel locks. Lithium battery, not for what you're thinking. I have found out this is like the exact diameter of my ring finger. So if the ring fits around this and we can mold it around this, it will fit my finger. But we might have to make it a little bit bigger for Gabe's finger because this is his ring. But so that I will be using this. This is just a piece of drywall tape. It has no significance to it, but I can wrap it around here to get the circumference and then cut it, and then that's how long I need to make this piece of metal. Also propane torch. You can thank Hank for it. Razor to cut said tape. So the first thing we're going to do, wrap the tape around the battery, get our circumference, and then we're probably going to just start heating it up. The idea is to take it, something kind of like this, heat it up, and whack it. Follow along, enjoy the audio. Yeah, I'm gonna start with the tape. Alright, I have whacked it a substantial amount of times, and it is kind of elongating in the way that I want. As you can see, it is bigger, bigger. So, case in point, don't touch that. Eee, it's still hot. You don't trust me. Now I think we're gonna what?
Never do.
Oh, that's fine. I think we're gonna fold it now. I'm just gonna take it and fold it in half, right here. Wow, you can really see that copper. It's crazy. I still love that.
Oh my gosh, Brian.
What?
On the wall.
What?
Spider. Get the torch. Get the torch. Right there. Right there. On the foundation. Get the torch.
Where did it go?
Run, evacuate, leave everything behind, sell the house.
Yep, it's gone now. Come on. Gabe. You should have let me smack it.
I thought the flames would be funnier.
Well, I would have burned it after I smacked it. Now it's just crawling around underneath the workbench.
Dude, it's burned half to death. It's fine.
It barely even got touched by the flame.
I would assume a spider still can't withstand the flame.
I think it can withstand it. Propane is not excessively hot. Okay, let's see okay, I kind of stretched it a little bit. And while I was stretching it a little bit, I bent it a little bit. So that brings me to my next point of action. I'm going to take it on this horn and bend it around a little bit. And then I'm probably going to take it like... Not me stripping out the teeth or the threads in this vise. Then I'll probably take it and bend it around here a little bit. But first I'm gonna go with the horn, and then I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna heat it up first. All right, here we have our bar that is going to turn into a ring. We have it. Oh. You just caught on camera the moment that I realized I'm extravagantly retarded. I was pounding the coin flat to make it the width of the tape, right? Well, I was doing the wrong width of the tape. I was doing that. That's why I was like, oh, look, I'm way over. I've got, like, plenty. No, it was supposed to be that. So, I mean, we're within reason, but I don't know if we're going to get it to fit your finger. We're going to have to find out. Maybe I can hit it some more.
You're fired.
Aw, really?
Yeah.
I'm calling that good enough. And I was right. All right, so here we have the ring in all of its glory. I messed up and made it too small, as you saw. Although that's a lot smaller than it should have been. Okay. Yeah, it should have been the right diameter. Or circumference, whatever. Interesting. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking that we just solder it now.
No, let's solder it then.
All right, here we are. This is the final product. We've got a Eisenhower dollar ring. Not Asian, but anyway. Eisenhower dollar coin ring. You get like a little bit of silver, a little bit of copper. I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't see it unless your hand is open and... Yeah. I think it's alright. I mean, it's thick, but it ain't gonna bend. I mean, it might crush your finger, but meh. What's life without a little bit of risk, you know? So, that is what we have. This is Gabe's new felony ring, because it's a felony. I threw the other pieces away, because I don't want them. I think it turned out alright. Not the best, but not the worst, honestly. It's not horrible. I really do kind of like that copper and silver, and I'm really interested to see if the copper is going to tarnish, like a green. We'll see what happens. I think it was a pretty decent first episode for the second season. I'm glad to be back, and I am excited for the 9 more episodes to come, hopefully. Still taking ideas, because I'm not 100% sure what we're going to do next, and I do not know when this will be released. Either way, I definitely won't watch it, so don't worry. No, I'm actually kind of excited for this episode. I am going to watch this one. Eisenhower dollar ring, first episode, second season. Great to be back. Any ideas, leave it in the comments. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate it. Yeah, other than that, have a great rest of your day, and remember, anything's possible, even a second season. You just caught on camera the moment that I realized I'm extravagantly retarded.